Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Learn Test. So today we'll be starting with basics of core Java. So let's have a look at agenda. First, checking Java and system. Second, checking core Java version. Third, installation of core Java. Fourth, configuring the system variable. Fifth, installation of Eclipse. And sixth, starting with basic programming. So let's start. Press Windows R, type in CMD. Type java space hyphen version and press enter. You can see Java is not recognized in our system, so we need to install JDK. Select Java downloads, scroll down, go for Windows, select x64 installer and click on the download link. So your download will be starting soon. Open the JDK installer.exe, double click on the installer. Your installation will start soon. So guys, you can install next. If you want, you can change the path, but I'll recommend to keep the default path. Put next. It will take some few seconds. Close it. Now we have to go to this PC or C drive. This PC, C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin. Copy the whole path till bin. Go to this PC again, right click, properties, maximize, select advanced system setting, environment variable, path. Just paste the path which we have copied, save it, OK, and closes the pop-up with OK. Now press Windows R, CMD, again search for Java space version. Here we go. Java is installed in our system and we can see the total Java version. Eclipse download. So guys, we'll start with Eclipse download. So type in Eclipse, select Eclipse download from the list, select the first option, Eclipse download, scroll down, decline the cookies, download, select another mirror, show all, select University of Maryland from North America, your installation will start. Once it's done, open the folder where it's got installed, open the installer, click on run. Your installation will start. select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on install. Accept now. Click on accept now. Scroll down, accept now. Wait for a few seconds. Once it's done, click on launch. Hooray, your Eclipse got downloaded. Now click on launch. Just keep it as it is, the default path. So once it got installed, a pop-up Eclipse will be opening a window. Close the welcome window. Just select a create a Java project. Feed in the project name, anything you want. Like I'm feeding out the project name as LearnTrist. So I need to change the T. Click on finish. So your Java project is right there. Just click on create. Yes. So delete the extra model which we don't required as of now. So we'll delete it. Okay. We'll create a new class. This is called a package. We'll discuss it on later point of time. Basic program 1. Just checkbox the public static void main. Click on finish. So here we go. Your program is ready to execute. Just will start with some of the new small lines like welcome. So I'll go with some SYSO. Feed in the string we want to print. We'll discuss about this string later in our videos. So hey guys, welcome to LearnTrist. And just save the program and execute it. Here we go. Hey guys, welcome to LearnTrist. So we'll carry on in our next video. Thank you all for your time and interest in LearnTrist. Please like, share and subscribe.